I'm on my way to go and look at 4 cars for the online auction. If they're as described, one of them is going to be a really interesting usable split screen Moggy. One of them is going to be a very rare MGB GT LE. I'm also going to look at a 944, which I'm told has got sunroof and air conditioning, so it could be a Lux. And the 4th one is very unusual. It's an Avant based on a Lotus, and if that's in the condition it's been described in, that's quite an exciting find. So I'm hoping they're what I'm expecting, but there's only one way to find out.